Hyper Go 1/10 scale first run off-road. I am running, oh god, I picked up a hitchhiker already. What do we got here? Let's see. Got that out of the way. I am running my Radio Master radio with it, so I'm not running the stock radio because, well, stock radio is just not really good for this. On 3S, stock out of the box, this doesn't perform too bad. It's got plenty of speed. Suspension is definitely not quite right. You can see it's bobbing around everywhere. Even though it has oil-filled shocks, it kind of looks like that Beast Max that I ran not long ago. It's just bouncing everywhere. This is not a very planted vehicle as it is. So yeah, there's definitely a little bit of a handling issue going on here. And you might even hear, yep, you can hear the tires rubbing on the body because these arms are just way too short, or the tires are just oversized for this particular car. Speed-wise, respectable. They're claiming 60k an hour on 3S, and you know what, it's not that bad. You could probably go up a couple of teeth on the pinion, maybe get a little bit more out of it. On 3S you're probably not going to really hurt anything by gearing it up a tad. Dips are very open, which makes it kind of okay in the turns, but when you punch it, it really doesn't want to wheelie all that much. As you can see, I'm sort of punching it out of the turns there. Not much going on. I've put the brakes down to 50%, but because they were set at 75 out of the box, which is insane. Like, why would you need 75% on brakes? There we go. Thankfully, it's done a couple of tumbles, and both times it's landed on its feet. All right, let's see how it jumps. All right, let's see how this jumps now. Struggling to line it up. Is that servo saver playing havoc on me, or is it just my bad driving? Not bad, but you can see the massive rebound off the chassis. It just slaps that chassis so hard and then has a massive donkey kick as it lands. Oh! It almost does a backflip off the jump. Picked up a whole bunch of dirt there. Tip over. Okay. Very quiet truck, which leads me to believe that it might have a plastic spur gear. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. I'm definitely struggling to keep it lined up. So, let me see if I can fix this up. Yeah, you can see when it lands, it just slaps that chassis and rebounds really badly off the ground. Yeah, these shocks are definitely too short and the geometry is not right. Hope MJX sort that out. Got good power. ESC is pretty responsive, at least with this radio. Boom, every time it's just this massive clunk on the ground. Alright, let's go a little bigger. And here we go. Let's see. Oh, it's a bit of a struggle around that bend. Oh! That landed really badly. Alright, truck's okay, it seems. Nasty hit. So just like the other trucks from MJX, this seems to be pretty durable, which is a big positive. That's going to be a body looks like it's come off. So gotta fix that. Alright, we're all good. Let's see if we can do a backflip on 3S. You reckon we can? Nah, it's just not enough there. Without that suspension travel to really launch the truck off that jump. Yeah, you see, it's very neutral when it leaves the jump. There's really, I guess in a way it's well balanced, but it's kind of hard to get anything out of it. I'm interested to see what it's going to do on 4S. See the tires rubbing on the body there. Servo saver is definitely playing a part in my steering because I can't quite get it where I want it all the time. Takes a little bit of finesse on the steering. You can't just, it's a lot of micro movements on the wheel to really get it to line up. It's not as point and shoot as you'd expect it to be. The tires seem to be a little bit better now. Stay upright, stay upright. Good girl. Yeah, and the diffs are really open as well. Come on, here we go. Oh, that was nasty. It sounds like I've got like something going on with the fans. All right, we'll do one more and we'll wrap it up. I'm not sure I'm going to take it on Superman jump on 3S. I don't see the point. It's just not fast enough. Oh God, it made it. There we go. So this is with the MJX included 3S battery that they sent me. Seems to be working pretty well, to be honest. It's got enough power for the car. I don't know if a higher C rating, because they're only 35C, so I don't know if a higher C rating might give me a little bit more punch out of the hole. Punch setting is set to 7 out of the factory. That's 7 out of 8 settings. So I've left it at 7. I just turned my brakes down from 75 to 50. And the rest of the truck is stock. I haven't changed connectors or any oils or adjusted my springs or done anything. This is just straight out of the box. Plug a battery in, where'd it go, and pull the trigger, and this is the result. Alrighty, so there we go. The MJX 1/10 scale Hyper Go first run on 3S here at the BMX track. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.